All right, I'm going to show you how to work with the stainless steel appliances. This will also work in the sinks as well. This is what we recommend, is this brand of the stainless steel cleaner. As you can see on this dishwasher, there's all sorts of fingerprints all over it. And so this is a quick and easy one to be able to really make a big difference. So you simply just do something like that. Okay, let it sit there for just a second. And then you'll take your cloth and you're just gonna go right over it. And you can see how quick and easy that is. So the advantage to using stainless steel cleaner is it doesn't give kind of that foggy look, and so it makes it really kind of bright and shiny and no streaks.